In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Temu no internet error. If you are trying to access Temu through a web browser and you keep seeing a no internet error even though your connection is working fine, this usually means there is a browser-related issue rather than a problem with your actual internet. It can be caused by temporary cache files, cookies, extensions, or even browser settings blocking the site from loading properly. In this guide, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix this issue and get Temu working again on your browser. To begin, the first thing you should do is check your internet connection. Open another website in your browser to confirm that your connection is active and stable. If other sites are also not loading, then the issue is with your internet connection and not Temu itself. Next, refresh the Temu page. Sometimes the error is temporary and a simple refresh can reload the site properly and restore the connection. If refreshing does not work, close the browser completely and reopen it, then try accessing Temu again. If the problem continues, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can become outdated or corrupted, which can prevent websites like Temu from loading correctly. Go into your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear cached files and cookies. Once done, restart your browser and try again. Another important step is to check your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with website loading. Temporarily disable any extensions and then reload the Temu website to see if the issue is resolved. You should also try using a different browser if the problem continues. Switching to another browser helps determine whether the issue is specific to your current browser or a general connectivity problem. In some cases, updating your browser to the latest version can also help. Older versions may not fully support certain website features, which can lead to loading errors or connection issues. After trying these steps, go back to the Temu website and check if it loads properly. In most cases, clearing cache, disabling extensions, or switching browsers will fix the no internet error on Temu. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.